The Dutch specialist for welding technology, Bus Industrial Tools, offers its customers a particularly space-saving, complete package for Cobot welding applications. The automation of repetitive welding tasks is high on the agenda in view of the shortage of skilled workers. The system consists of a welding robot, welding table and the matching extraction system.
De meerwaarde van de bitwelder is dat hij zeer eenvoudig.
The added value of a Cobot is the simple programming via drag-and-drop menu. Small to medium batch sizes can be welded in no time at all. The user and the Cobot share the work and complement each other perfectly. Besides the enormous time savings, the reproducibility in particular is another advantage. Once configured, Cobots can take over routine welding work in a consistently high quality. The all-in-one solution from Bus also has a lot to offer when it comes to protective welding equipment.
Wij hebben gekozen voor een lasrookafzuigtoorts in combinatie met een VacuFil.
The special feature is the torch-integrated extraction in combination with the high vacuum suction and filter unit from Kemper, which switches itself on and off. The welding fumes are captured directly at source, thus keeping the surrounding area clean. The VacuFil Compact has a convenient one-button operation and is equipped with an automatic air volume flow control. The system adjusts itself automatically so that the extraction capacity remains constant throughout the entire process.